Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a crop you don't see that much anymore. This is sugar cane. I'm in South Carolina right now. I had to go pick up a load of hot peppers, and I just happened to see this. And I thought it was sugar cane, but I've been a while since I've seen any. And just so happened there's a processing mill right down the road, so that's what this is, sugar cane. And I'd love to have me a piece, but it ain't mine, and I ain't gonna take out of no man's field. But I don't know when it gets processed or anything. I'm not that familiar with the whole sugar cane. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.